Hello everybody, the main objective of making this video lecture is to make all of you understand that how you can make a geography project using the PowerPoint presentation. Okay, so please pay attention and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, because if you subscribe my channel, whenever I will put any new video lecture in my channel, educational video, you will get. Okay, you will get the notification, okay, in your mobile phone. Okay, now here you can see I have prepared one format for doing the project in PowerPoint. So you will begin with biodata. Okay, in biodata mainly you have to write about your name, class, section, roll number. Okay, I hope I am able to make you understand. And you can also change the background of the slide, okay, according to the requirement of the project. How to do it? It is very simple. Just go to the edge of the slide, right click on your mouse, select format background. After that, here you can see the option fill. Now different types of fills are there. There is solid fill, there is gradient fill, there is picture or texture fill. I have selected this for my slideshow. Then go to insert from file. Okay, after going over there, like here I am going to the option desktop. You have to go to the option as per the place where you have saved the picture that you will include in the background of the slide. Okay, now here I am selecting the picture Amazon natural disaster. Okay, then you have to insert. After inserting, you can also adjust the transparency of the picture as per the requirement. Okay, if you reduce the transparency, the picture will become deep. If you increase the transparency, the picture will become lighter. Okay, then you click on this button, apply to all, and then you close this format background. Okay, so in this way you can change the background of the slide as per the need of the project. It will make your project, your presentation, your PowerPoint presentation beautiful. Then you have to write the topic. Of course you can use a different color. Here I am showing in black, but it does not mean you will do your project in black. You can use different color. So the topic is ecological disaster. Okay, then I am coming to the next slide. Here you have to write the acknowledgement. Now you have to be very specific while writing the acknowledgement. You have to follow a specific format. You can consult any book, any old project copy, okay, or you can also consult your respective subject teacher. Like in my school, I will provide the format for the acknowledgement to my student. After that, you have to write introduction in the next slide. Okay, now as we are doing the project on the topic ecological disaster, so how you will write the introduction? Okay, before that I want to show you how you can do the slideshow. Click on the slideshow button, then click on from current slide. If you want to show the current slide in the slideshow, or if you want to show from beginning, you click on from beginning. So I am clicking on from current slide. Okay, now in the introduction, at first you have to write the definition of disasters or the concept, like the occurrence of a sudden or major misfortune which disrupt the basic fabric and normal functioning of society is called disaster. So in this way you have to write. Okay, this concept I have taken from class 11 book. You can also take from other book or from any website. Then you write here about the types of disasters, like natural disasters, man-made disasters, ecological disaster, which is our topic. Okay, then after that, the next point is chosen disaster. Like here I have chosen cyclone. So of course it is a PowerPoint presentation. You have to put one suitable picture of cyclone. It is a satellite photo of cyclone that I have given. Then you have to write what is cyclone and types of cyclone. Now one thing I must say, that please don't write this question. It looks very odd while making the PowerPoint presentation. I have written this question just to make all of you understand what point you will include in this particular slide. Okay, because when you are making slideshow for geography project or history project, then along with picture you have to put some explanation. Okay, so what will be the point for the explanation? For that I have given these two questions. At first you have to write the concept of cyclone, then you have to write about types of cyclone. There are mainly two types of cyclone: tropical cyclone, temperate cyclone. The next slide you have to show the point causes of cyclones using a suitable diagram like this, and of course you have to put a short explanation about the causes of cyclone. In short, you have to write about the causes of cyclone with a suitable diagram like the above one. It is not important that you will include this diagram only. You can include any diagram of your choice. Okay. Then in the next slide, you have to start this point effects of cyclone. Now, it is not necessary that you have to make only one slide on effects of cyclone. You can make at least 5 or 6 slides. Okay, because there are different effects of cyclones and all those effects are negative effects. Or you can also write this point as impacts of cyclones. It is up to you what point you will write. Okay, like here you can see I have given one picture that is showing the effect or impact of cyclone. The strong wind or the, now what does this picture is showing actually, I have written over here, the strong wind or the high velocity winds of cyclone cause huge damage to the city landscape that include temporary houses of slums, light posts, trees along streets, etc. So in this way what you will do, you will put a relevant picture showing effects of cyclone or impact of cyclone. Along with that you will put some explanation. Okay. Now here I have written that students have to explain at least 5 to 6 points on the effects of cyclone with suitable pictures and the slide. Okay, that means what? I have said it already, you have to make minimum 5 to 6 slides on these points effects of cyclone, because there are different effects of cyclone. Cause you can show in one slide or at least in 2 slides you can show, not more than 2 slides, but effects of cyclone you can show 5, 6 or 7 or 8 slides on that. Okay, many effects you will get, many relevant picture you will get from the internet, from the Google. Now next one is conclusion. Okay, now what the conclusion will be, in their own language the students will write in 10 to 15 lines the summary of the entire project. Here you have to write the entire project in summarized form, but in 10 to 15 lines. Don't make it too lengthy or too short. Okay, this conclusion will actually help your teacher to understand that how well you have understood the project while doing the project. Okay, this conclusion will help the teacher to understand that. Okay, now the last one is bibliography. This is very important part of the project, please don't neglect it. Here you have to write the name of the books and its writer, okay, as well as publisher, from where you have taken help for doing the project. I have written over here, you can see I have written over here that name of the book and its writer as well as publisher, from where the students have taken help for doing the project. Okay, you also have to write about the address of the website. Okay, from where you have taken various pictures that you have included in the PowerPoint presentation or in your project. Okay, like there are different websites that you can see for picture, those address you have to write over here. So in this way you have to write a bibliography. So this is the basic structure that you have to follow while doing a slideshow for a geography project. Okay, now thank you very much. Please go through my video lecture, and if you have any problem, please don't forget to ask me question. You can post the question in the YouTube channel, or you can ask the question in my WhatsApp number. It is 6290811161. It is your choice where you will ask the question, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you.